What if everything you've ever known, the stars, the galaxies, the endless fabric of space and time, wasn't what it seemed? What if our entire universe, all of us, were trapped inside a black hole? Imagine this. Every memory, every planet, every beam of starlight you've ever seen isn't floating freely in space, but caught inside the most mysterious prison in the cosmos. A place where gravity crushes reality, where light itself can never escape, and where the rules of physics bend until they break.
It sounds like science fiction, but some scientists think it could be true. And if they're right, then the truth about our universe is far stranger and far more terrifying than anything we've ever imagined.
To understand this possibility, you first have to picture what a black hole really is. It's not just a void in space, it's a monster. A collapsed star with gravity so strong that nothing, not even light, can get away. Anything that falls inside is lost forever, stretched and shredded in a process called spaghettification. On the outside, to an observer, time itself slows down near a black hole's edge. But what if black holes aren't just cosmic graves? What if they're also cosmic wombs? Because some physicists believe that when matter falls into a black hole, it doesn't simply vanish. It could spark the birth of an entirely new universe on the other side. And here's where it gets unsettling. Our universe, the one we wake up in every day, might be one of those universes. Think about that for a second. The Big Bang, the explosion that created everything 13.8 billion years ago, could have been the moment another universe's black hole collapsed. What looks like destruction from one side could look like creation from the other. So maybe our universe is the inside of a black hole, floating in a much bigger parent universe that we'll never be able to see. If that's true, then every black hole we observe out in space could also be the gateway to another universe, each one with its own laws of physics, its own galaxies, maybe even its own versions of life. Now, pause for a moment and imagine what that means for us. If our universe is inside a black hole, then everything has a limit. Black holes eventually evaporate, slowly losing mass over time through something called Hawking radiation. If the black hole that gave birth to our universe evaporates one day, would our entire cosmos collapse with it? Would time itself just flicker out like a dying candle? Or would we be reborn again inside yet another black hole, continuing an infinite cycle of universes giving birth to universes? It's a dizzying thought that we're not the first universe and we won't be the last. And here's another twist. If black holes can create universes, does that mean some universes are more likely to survive than others? Scientists have wondered whether black holes are a kind of natural selection mechanism for the cosmos. Universes that create lots of black holes might keep reproducing, passing down their cosmic DNA, while universes without them simply fade away. If that's true, then black holes aren't just monsters swallowing stars, they're the architects of reality itself. Of course, the unsettling part is that we'll probably never know for sure. No telescope can look beyond the walls of our universe. No probe can escape a black hole's grip and report back. We are, quite literally, trapped inside our own cosmic bubble, left only with questions and theories. But maybe that's the beauty of it, because the thought that our universe could be just one black hole among countless others makes existence feel both fragile and infinite. Fragile, because our cosmic home might one day collapse. Infinite, because every ending might be the beginning of something new. So, what if our universe really is inside a black hole? Then the stars above us aren't just points of light in an empty sky. They're reminders of an even greater mystery, one we may never solve. Maybe we're not residents of the universe at all. Maybe we're prisoners. Or maybe we're the children of a cosmic giant, still waiting to discover the truth about where we really come from.